Namaste everyone, welcome to Presha Yoga and I am Presha. This is the part 2 of Surya Namaskar A. The part 1 was last week, in which we had learnt each pose that we practice in Surya Namaskar A. In this part we are going to practice how to breathe, so when to inhale and exhale during Surya Namaskar A. We're going to be using our blocks, yoga blocks, but if you don't have them, it's absolutely fine. Roll out your mat, friends, and let's get started. So in this part of Surya Namaskar A, learning the Surya Namaskar A, we will be discussing, as I mentioned before, the breathing. So when to inhale and when to exhale. And there will be a third part to this series, and that will come next week. And in the third part, we are going to bring everything together and practice Surya Namaskar A, both in variation, like doing a variation of it and doing the conventional way. So standing from the top of the mat in Tadasana, usually you will see practitioners coming in Samasthiti, which is same as Tadasana. It's the same pose, but just with hands to the heart center. And then when we take now an extension in the arms up, this is upward salute, we'll take an inhale here. So when your body is in extension, or when it is big and it is tall, then you take an inhale. So inhale up with your arms, look up, hands together. Exhale, folding forward. So you're hinging forward with your hips and you're coming down. So you can use your blocks here. If you have them, use them. And so we're taking an exhale to fold. So if you can see that the body has now become a little small, so we take an exhale when it becomes small. Again, inhale, bringing extension in the spine, halfway lift. So we inhale again because we are coming in extension. And then with an exhale, just keep your blocks to the front. We're going to step back to plank. So I'm going to suggest you to first step your left foot back, bring your knee down. Then step your right foot back and then lift your knees up and come into a plank. Pressing into the mat. So you were in halfway lift, which is with the blocks. We did it with the blocks. When we were inhale, halfway lift. And then exhale, we have stepped back to plank. So you can step back this way, right foot, right knee down, then left foot, left knee down, and then you're going to lift the knees up. Your shoulders are going to be over the wrists. Now you will stay in plank for an inhale. So inhale in plank. Now with an exhale, we are going to lower down slowly into Chaturanga. So you're going to exhale and come down. Okay. The variation of this is also to come down with the knees. So in case you're stepping back in plank, which was this way, inhale, lengthen, flat back. If you're using blocks, then this way. And if not, then hands can be on the shins or fingers can be down. So any variation. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, plank variation coming up. So again, step back, knee down. Step back, knee down. And you are going to be in plank this way, core being engaged. And you can still see my shoulders are over the wrists. And there's a difference. So when you're doing this variation of plank, you're not lifting your tailbone, you're not arching the back. Okay, so you're keeping your tailbone slightly tucked in and your core is engaged. So this is the variation of this pose, plank. So we're going to take an inhale here. So we're staying in plank for a breath in. Inhale in plank. And with an exhale, we're bending the elbows and we're hugging the elbows in and going down all the way on the mat. Okay, all the way down. Then making sure that the elbows are hugging in. Okay, and then with an inhale, we're going to lift up into a cobra pose. So inhale, cobra. Shoulders are rolling back, chest is being pushed forward. And exhale, first come on your knees, then curl your toes and go up with your knees and hips to a downward dog. Now in downward facing dog, you're going to drive your hips up, tailbone is lifting up, and you're going to press into the mat with your hands. If the heels are not reaching down and if the lower back is rounding up, if this is happening, then to avoid that, please lift your heels and take a nice deep bend in your knees and do a variation of downward dog, which is this. Alright, so now when we take a downward dog, when we reach downward dog, in Surya Namaskar A, we hold downward dog. This is your home base. You're going to hold here for 5 breaths. So you're going to take 5 breaths here. So let's take 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. With an inhale, we will lift the heels up and we'll take a bend in the knees. We will look forward and exhale. We can tippy toes and walk the feet forward and reach forward, or you can step directly forward with your feet. Both ways are fine, okay? So you're going to eventually reach here to a forward fold. So again, just going back to this, inhale, heels lift, bend the knees and gaze forward. Exhale, walk forward and come to a fold, forward fold. Okay, back with the blocks, just in case if the blocks are with us. Then inhale, lengthen halfway, flat back again. Exhale, fold, bend your knees and fold. Again, inhale, press your heels into the mat and sweep and reach your arms up. Exhale, hands back to Samasthiti. Beautiful. So this is how we go with inhales and exhales in Surya Namaskar A, but I'm going to now do it one more time in a continuous form, just so that it's clearer to you, okay? Back to, and for this time I'm not going to be using blocks, but if you want to use blocks, then please feel free to use them, especially in your forward fold and halfway lift, okay? All right, standing feet hip width apart. Arms to the sides to start in Tadasana, and then hands to heart center. Still Tadasana, but called as Samasthiti. Inhale, stretch and reach your arms up. This is an inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Here or here, okay? Exhale, step back to plank. Here or here. Then stay in plank, inhale in plank. Exhale, lower to the mat. Inhale, lift to cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Here or here. Stay in downward dog for 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, exhale, 2. Inhale, exhale, 3. Inhale, exhale, 4. Inhale, exhale, 5. Next inhale, heels will lift, look forward, take a bend in your knees. Exhale, walk tippy toes forward, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms reaching up, extension. Exhale, Samasthiti. So this was the breathing technique for Surya Namaskar A. Now, the next week we are going to be learning the last or the third part of the series of learning Surya Namaskar A. I wanted to specially break down this into 3 parts to make it more easy for people who have never practiced this before, more easy for them to understand. Hoping this is helpful for you, and I will see you again in another video soon. Until then, be well. Om Shanti.